everyone and welcome back to another video. Yes, girl. Look at me like what? You want trying to talk to me or you mean me? Don't think so. Yeah, so people, welcome back. Today I have this wonderful or this nice wig review. I bought myself a wig. I know you know I live in Germany. I bought it from the US and it took a while to come to me, but it is here. So if you want to see more wig reviews, then please don't forget to subscribe and to give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, let's start. So guys, as you can see, this is the package where the hair comes in. It looks like this. It's a big package. It's very well packed, and here you can see the name again and the glaze color. Yes, this is it. The Swiss Lace Age Glory. So here you can see how the hair comes with a net. I did take off the net, and yeah, this is the structure. You can see the hairs flowing, and also it comes with this paper thing. I took this also off. I think every wig comes with it to make sure that wig is in place. Now you can see it's lace frontal, as I told you, and you can see some of the baby hairs. It's not that much. It's a really nice outline. And here you can see we have two combs at the front. Here, those two, and one comb at the back. And yeah, this is the construction inside. You can see the parting space is not that big, it's not that long, but it's okay, I think. And also this wig comes with adjustable stripes, as always. I think every wig has those adjustable stripes. And yeah guys, that's the hair. You can see like the ombre effect from dark to brown, then into this blonde. And yeah, there you go. And also the like curls, it had a little bit curls, the body of the hair. It's a really nice wig. So you saw like the instruction of the wig and everything, and yeah, now let's talk about the wig. As I've shown you before, this is the wig that I have, and I have this in the color 3T BR Blonde, and yeah, it's the flawless pre-twist hairline wig. Swiss lace wig. The name is Glory, and yeah, I feel like a glory in your face. Yes, you don't know, people. You don't know. I really enjoy this hair. Like, it's so nice. It's so nice. I'm already in love. Okay, I'm already in love. So let's talk. I cut off the lace. I did some baby hair, and I also colored the lace with some concealer. I used this concealer. This one is from Primer, and it's in the color Caramel. And yes, that's it. I only did that, and that's it. Let me show you something. I have a big head. Oh no, I don't have a big head. I have a big forehead. Yeah, I have a big forehead. So this wig is not really big head friendly, because here you can see I didn't really glue down the wig, but who cares? I didn't glue down the wig so you can see it, but I could if I wanted to. But on this side, I couldn't really do it because the lace, or yeah, the lace part is not big enough, and some of my hair will pick through. So that's a really, I really don't like that, and the wig is really like snug. You don't need anything. I didn't use the adjustable stripes, but still the wig is really tight on me, and it's okay. It's a good fact, but the only thing that I don't like is, like I showed you. Yeah, all in all, I really like the wig. It's a really nice wig. It has a really nice parting space. It's really big, and the baby baby hair were a little bit too long, so I had to cut the baby hairs, but that's okay. And I really did this baby hair, I really did that in 5 minutes or so. I had to rush, so that's that. I really like the wig. Out of 10 points, I would give this wig a solid 8 because I don't like that it's a little bit too snug on me. And another thing is the shedding. The shedding of this wig is like crazy. I don't know if all the wigs come like this. I don't know, like I don't know. You see, I just went through the hair and I already have so many fallout. And you see this one came out when I brushed it to style it, and I don't know if this is a normal size for shedding. I don't know. This is my first time trying out this wig or any kind of wig like that. And yeah, I don't know. You will have a problem in the neck area because I'm already experiencing problem in the neck area. There it tangles a little bit too much, So when you go out wearing this wig, you need to take your brush with you. You see, you need to take it with you. Just take the brush with you, you know, because this shedding is like, whoa, it's crazy. It's really crazy. But all in all, the hair is really nice. Like I told you, I didn't do much to it and still it looks so nice. Let me turn around a little bit. I love like the ombre effect or the color thing going on here. I really like that. Let me show you the back. It's really nice hair. I really like it. It's a really nice wig. Like, it's a really nice wig and I really like it. So people, what do you think about this hair? How many points do you give this hair? Like I told you, I give this hair 8 points out of 10. And yeah, that's the wig. Oh, really, it's so shedding like crazy. When you run your fingers through the wig, it's shedding. But you know what? It has a lot of hair and the hair feels like afro hair that was like straightened, but not like with the straightener, but with some chemical straightening things, because it's thick. It doesn't feel thin. It really feels thick. It's a thick hair. So I hope, although it sheds like crazy, I will still have many hairs left after this crazy shedding. Sorry guys, but my camera broke down, or the battery. Yeah, the camera broke down because I have the Sony Alpha 5100, and don't get yourself that camera if you are a YouTuber or something, or someone who is like filming for a long time, because this camera always goes off when it's too hot. So it needs to calm down and then I can start filming again. So that's that. So yeah, I don't know where I was, but I told you that I like the wig, that I'm really in love. I'm in love with the wig. So yeah, that's that. So what do you guys think about the wig? Do you like the wig? Will you order yourself one? Will you get one? I don't know. Just tell me down there, what do you think about this hair? I really like the hair. I'm in love. It's a really nice color. It's a really nice blonde color, and also everything, like I don't really like those type of wigs on my skin. Those like blonde wigs where the root is blonde and everything is blonde. I don't really like those wigs. I like them when they're like realistic. Not realistic, because I know there are some black girls with blonde hair. You know, in Africa we have kids with blonde hair and they are dark skinned. So I don't want to say something like that, but I don't like it, like from the root to be blonde and everything blonde. I just don't like that. But yeah, I like this wig. I like the parting. That's it for this video. So people, if you like those kind of videos where I review some really bomb hair, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down there, and yeah, see you in my next one. Peace.